at all. Okay, put your parking brake and wait. Okay, that's it. Now it's clear, so we can go. It's very busy here, always busy. Always put your parking brake. It's not really moving at all. She's stopping in the bus stop. He shouldn't. That is against the law, you know. Don't forget your parking brake. It's very important. Don't get used to it. Get doing it all the time. Get into the habit to put your parking brake, especially in the city. And give your foot rest. Your feet, sorry. So it's moving, and but it's alright. I will clear the junction. Yeah, don't get into the yellow box. You will be fined as well, £30. You see how narrow I'm near the cars there, near cars there. It's very narrow here place. Just keep watching your mirror, you know, when you go in through something like this, just watch your mirror. Okay, there. I have to stop now. It's busy all the time like this. Every day. Sainsbury's there, and Costa Coffee. So that's it, lads. This is the way you drive in a city, and just take it easy, don't rush, and be safe, please. Safety, it comes first, and respect other road users. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more videos, and take care of yourself. Thank you very much for watching.